Three P's: power, performance, and this car's practical as well. This is an unbelievable opportunity to buy a Range Rover Sport SVR, Santorini black, carbon exterior pack, carbon interior pack, low mileage, 25,000 miles, 110,000, actually more, 115,000 cost price new, 60,990. The car is absolutely awesome and it drives awesome. The sound of it is unbelievable. Full black styling pack, so we've got grille, badging, but with it having the carbon exterior pack, you get the carbon here. So you've got the carbon on the bonnet vents. You've got the carbon mirrors. Obviously the car looks unbelievable, all blacked anyway, but then with that carbon on it, it just sets the car off unbelievably well. And this is all from factory, so this is when this car was ordered new. So we've got carbon here. Obviously, the car's fully de-chromed, so badging, all this bottom sections, everything's done in black. You've got them quads exhaust. The sound of the exhaust on this car is ridiculously loud. It's awesome. People will just, yeah, you'll love it, you'll love it. And £60,990, it's priced on the money to sell. 2 keys, full documented Land Rover service history. It's got a tracker with it as well, which people are constantly asking, especially Land Rovers. We sell so many of them. Has it got a tracker? Yes, it has. Keyless. I mentioned your carbon mirrors, and then look at it inside. So you've got that carbon interior, so you've got all these door cards, you've got the carbon, all the display around the steering, and in that centre there, and it's all throughout the back of the car as well. And obviously you've got these SVR sport seats, which are, for me, are the right colour. It's black with a piping, which gives it that, it's all black, and it just gives it that, I don't know, sporty, mean look inside. Beautiful Alcantara roof lining, panoramic roof. Let's start the car up. It sounds like a jet engine. And when we put this car and put the sport exhaust, which I'll show you in a minute, it's unbelievable. Now then, you've still got your luxury element with the car, so we've got our heated steering wheel. I spoke about the sliding panoramic roof. If we go into our seats, you've got your heated seats. Even if you go into rear seats, you can adjust the rear seat so it's heated. Cameras, reversing camera. So you've got all the things that you would want. And the lovely thing about this car is the miles 25. But people buy SVRs for the 550 horsepower of raw sound and performance. Switch that switchable exhaust. Have a little sound of this, because it is a joke how loud this car is. How good does that sound? It sounds unbelievable. Again, it's all keyless. I'm just going to show you the back. So this carbon again is all in the rear, all in that centre. As you can see, you've got your rear digital climate control. But they don't, SVRs, earlier ones like this, they don't come up that often. They've either done lots of miles, they haven't been looked after. This car, I think it's the first early one I've had with all the carbon as well. So you've got the carbon exterior and that interior. Electric tailgate, big boot space, but the car's lovely. And it's all been serviced by Land Rover. Like I said, 2 keys, got the tracker, even the boot line in there just to give it that extra protection to keep it all lovely and crisp. And it just looks the part, doesn't it? It just looks superb. It's 60,990. It's priced to sell. We will sell this car very, very quickly. So my number's on the screen. Call me direct. I can answer any questions. But that is how you spec an SVR.